While Claude 4.5 came out yesterday, openAI also released Sora 2. Now, Sora is their video generation software, and this one gets pretty interesting because it actually allows you to go in there now and put yourself into different scenarios and make things of yourself. In tandem with this, they put up a social media network that's kind of a TikTok style thing of where people can post their videos and watch other people's videos. Pretty neat on that level. Now, the media is going crazy about it, calling it a dystopian future where everybody's making deep fakes, blah, 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 blah. But most people on the internet are honestly just having fun with it. The video generation software is much better than it's ever been. They can do up to a minute of material. The physics is better than it's ever been. They've really done a really good job with openAI on this. Now, we're not to the point of making movies yet or being able to really prompt things successfully to do that, but this is going to be pretty good for people who want to do trailers and the likes for different things. I think it's a useful sort of setup. So let's get into this news. Please hit the like and subscribe button as we talk about all things AI, and I appreciate you guys being here. This is Sora 2, and it is everything you're about to see is generated in Sora 2 on their website, and you can see what they got going with this video that they actually posted themselves. And all of this is their new video generation model. And like I said, you can take pictures of yourself and kind of put yourself in here, and it's got sound, it's got different features to it as well, which make it a pretty fun thing. So the original Sora model came out in February 2024, and this was their first video generation sort of deal. Now, Elon has since added in a video feature where you take a photo and you can make video out of it. It's a quick sort of rendering of that. Midjourney has also done the same thing where you can actually take their photos that you generate in there and have things go a little crazy on that level. And this one's going a little really crazy as it goes along. That's pretty funny. But this is the type of stuff that it can do in a bunch of different formats and a bunch of different styles. So look at the anime. Now, that's going to be really interesting because eventually, and I hope that they make it so you can actually use consistent characters over time, might be able to make your own animated films and all that pretty easily for those who do some interesting creative sort of deals with this, and even just regular films at that. So this is it, the road to general purpose simulation and AI systems that can function in the physical world. We think that a lot of people can have fun with models we're building along the way. We first started playing with this upload yourself feature several months ago as a Sora team, and we had a blast with it. It kind of felt like a natural evolution of communication, from text messages to emojis to voice notes to this. So today we're launching a new social app called Sora, powered by Sora 2. Inside the app, you can create, remix each other's generations, discover new videos with customizable Sora feed, and bring yourself or your friends in cameos. With cameos, you can drop yourself into any Sora scene, and with remarkable fidelity after a short one-time video and audio recording in the app to verify your identity and capture your likeness. So that's how they prevent you from using other people against their permission and the like. Last week, we launched the app internally to all openAI, and we've already heard from our colleagues that they're making new friends at the company because of the feature. We think the social app built around these cameos feature is the best way to experience the magic of Sora 2. Now, they're talking about responsibility here, and of course, they've got guards, so you can't just put celebrities and things like that, which is too bad because eventually it will be nice to make movies with actors that you actually want in them as you're trying to make these movies, but you can understand how people would abuse that as well. They also have a no adult content sort of filter in it to make sure that there's nothing untoward happening, which is, again, a good thing. And we already do have different AI sites that are going out there and doing horrible things with that type of thing. Glad ChatGPT is not giving into that just to try to get some more cash out of things. But here's something with a dragon, absolutely pretty and stunning stuff right here that they've got going. Now, Reddit's already applying to it, and my first impressions with Sora app after 24 hours. It's been a day. I think OpenAI really cooked with this one. Sora 2 is mind-blowingly good at IP and style adaptation and understanding human vitality. The things that impress me, it's easy to make cameo character of yourself, how well it understands the prompt's intention and replicates viral trends or cartoon characters exceptionally well. The remix feature is ingenious. There's a clip that if you find it amusing, you can create variations of the original clip, which is cool. It's very much what you can do with Suno and a lot of the music stuff by remixing things. You'll have full control over who can use your cameo, including allowing you to select users to see your face. And then best to image to video I've used, notably better than VO 3 for smartphone photos. Pretty cool. And it only takes a few minutes to generate a 10-second clip, which is great too. The feed is customizable. The options for you following pick a mood where you can describe the context you want. Now, viral trends get old fast, of course. Identity face accuracy is hit and miss still. They don't have that consistency still. I don't understand that. I mean, this is the one thing that all of these things should be working on is consistency, because once they nail that, is going to be a game changer for everything. Copyright violations are everywhere already. Clips of Pikachu and other characters. Oops, that's going to be a lot of problems. And we'll get to that in another video because they're already suing these companies in a lot of spaces. No option to private your profile, so anyone can follow you. And only 4 invites per person. I understand you need to control the influx of users, but this is obviously frustrating for those who are eager to use the app and can't get in. There's no option to save videos without a Sora watermark, very similar to TikTok's. Not sure whether this is good or bad, and no option to flag or favorite videos right now in this. Interesting. Pro limit is 100 videos in 24 hours, which is quite a lot. So interesting stuff like that that's going on with Sora right here. What do you think about this? Have you used the app and made your own cameos and the like? Love to hear from you. Please let me know down below. Hit the like and subscribe button as we talk about all AI things, and we'll be back soon.